You won't believe this. In Russia, people can build a house in just 3 days. The workers start by connecting specially designed panels together. Then they join the boards at the top. Next, they apply latex into the gaps between the panels. The latex works like cement in traditional construction. A round pillar is placed right in the center of the house. Wooden sticks are used as beams to connect the structure. Then, they cover the entire roof with wooden boards. The panels can be cut to size depending on the needs. Any extra edges are sanded smooth. Once the main structure is complete, the support pillars inside can be removed. A layer of fabric is wrapped around the outside of the house. This not only looks nice, but also blocks the wind. Foam pieces are cut to fit and stuffed into the gaps between the roof beams. This thickens the roof for extra strength. Another layer of fabric is placed over the roof. Finally, a transparent acrylic sheet is installed on top. It lets light in while keeping the structure covered. A custom glass door is installed, then fabric is cut to fit the shape of the door. At this point, the basic house is complete. To make it stronger and more attractive, the house is wrapped with fabric or cardboard.